condition. Because your activity will be affected. And you will say, oh, my activity was encoded in the binding of that output. Because it's not printed to look up. Your feelings, your problems will affect your activity. Do you believe that? Yes. My question is, how do you solve your problems? How do you solve your problem? Yes.
By expressing the...
By expressing it?
By drawing.
In art? Try to imagine. Where is the... Okay. Try to imagine this output.
Bagtok.
First is the design, right? Then, of course, the choosing of the colors. You have to choose what kind of color I will place in my head.
Kuhita ra gato, kuhita. Kuhita.
What's this? Mouse?
Kuhita, kuhita.
Black? Blue? You have to see, the color is black. So if you want a bland color, you have to choose also bland. No? Naka-bland ang color. If you want a bland, no? Then, why do you think that the color of stomach is, what color is this? Sky blue. Sky blue. Is there a color of sky blue in the stomach?
Pants mana?